Hello. Today we are going to kind of do a tutorial. I want to show you guys how I have learned to use the Danessa Myricks Beauty Vision Cream Cover 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. This is an N05. This is only 0.34 fluid ounces. But you guys, this stuff is opaque. A little goes a very long way. And I actually don't like to use this on its own. I like to mix it. So I have mixed it with a couple different moisturizers, different primers. It has worked well with everything I've used. I've even mixed it with highlighter, like a liquid highlighter. And I have liked it every way, but I want to show you guys how I do it. Today I'm going to mix it with the Pure No Filter Blurring Photography Primer. With this, the only hard part is the packaging. It's kind of hard to get a minimal amount out with the pump. Like, sometimes you don't want but just a little dab of this stuff. And you still get quite a bit that comes out a lot of the time. So I'm going to use about that much, just a little bit. I'm going to throw some of the primer in with it. And I've used water-based and I've used kind of silicone-based, and it has worked well with everything. So that's kind of shocking to me. I'm going to mix this together. Normally, it will work better with one or the other. It'll work well. Whew, sorry, I seen a big bird. It was not a hawk. I have chickens, but it wasn't a hawk. It was, oh, what are they called? They kind of look like a stork. What are those called? No, I'm drawing a blank, you guys. But I'm going to rub this in. Depending on the primer or the base used, I like it with my hands. I do like it with a brush. And then if you really want to shear it out a bit more, you can use a sponge, but to really kind of push it into the skin. I don't know. The one thing about this is it's scented. It smells like rose to me, and I'm not a big fan of rose scented anything. It actually breaks me out. This I have not found to break me out yet, thank goodness. And like I said, I have worn it multiple times, but it's kind of neat with this. You can really control your coverage. You can have this be super crazy, sorry, I had to correct this, super crazy full coverage. It's just too heavy for me that way. I don't like it that way. You can also build it if you want. You can do your first layer, and then you can always add more where you need it. But I don't like it on its own. This for me is a mixing product. I'll grab a little bit out, put some, I'm gonna try to get a, see, like that's the smallest pump I could possibly get, and that is still a lot of this product. Like, you guys, a little bit goes such a long way with this. So I'm just gonna put it on the cheeks. Scent is the worst thing for me. I just don't like that rosy kind of scent. But this does have really good coverage. A little bit does go a crazy long way. I don't think it's the fullest of full coverage I have seen. There are more full coverage products out there, but this one I think looks really good on the skin. It's very, very versatile. Like I said, you can mix it with a primer. It is way more matte than this normally, but I mixed in that primer with it, so it's not as matte as it normally is. It's not crazy drying matte, but I would still say it leans more matte than a natural finish. I am going to throw on some concealer really quickly. I've also been using the Vision Flush from Danessa Myricks. I'm gonna throw a little bit on and we'll be right back. Okay, so I have set the under eyes. I threw on a little bit of bronzer. Now we are going to use the Vision Flush in ballet slippers. I've also used this multiple times, you guys. This is one product that I actually have put on straight on the face, blended it out, and it works perfectly. I've also put it on the back of the hand and dipped it off, but I'm gonna put a few stripes here. This you can actually use on your cheeks, your eyes, and your lips. So it's a very versatile product, kind of like the foundation, where you can sheer it out, you can build it up. I just love this blush. I absolutely love it. It goes over powder with no problem. It does not disturb the base. You can build it up. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it on the cheeks. I like it on the eyes. I don't really like it on the lips. It's just not my favorite on the lips, but you guys, this product, it's a absolute gem. Let me throw on a little bit of lip gloss here, because you know our lips are kind of missing out. Ooh. Okay, don't like that color at all. This is the Cover FX monochromatic lip color in spiced cinnamon. Okay, that doesn't look cinnamony at all. It's a very pink. Ick. Okay, let me grab a different lip. All right, this is the Catrice Powerful 5 Liquid Lip Balm as well. This one is in 050. I have another one of these and I loved it so much, I got another shade. It has a pretty unique feel to it as well. It just, I don't know. It's not sticky at all, and it's pretty thin, but it's thick enough that you can feel some moisture. Yes, this is what we've got. So I just wanted to show you guys a super quick look, but you can still have some coverage. You can still feel comfortable in your skin. So I do really like the Danessa Myricks Vision Cream Cover. I like it. Is so versatile. This, the Vision Flush, 100% love, wholeheartedly recommend this. I love this. It is a liquid. It's not really a cream. I think it's kind of in between a liquid and a cream. It's not runny, but it's not a straight up cream. But like I said, you guys seeing me apply it, it's beautiful. You could build it more. It just works. Plus, it's a multitasking product. You can use it on the eyes and on the lips, plus the cheeks. So I like that these are multitasking products, and I really like this brand. This is a Black-owned brand, and they do have it at Sephora now. And one other thing about the foundation is the scent. I hate the scent, you guys. I hate the scent. It's very rosy. And it doesn't smell super fake, kind of smells like a rose, but I hate that it has a scent, period, but especially that rosy scent. That's just personal preference. So if you don't mind rose scented products, then you may love that. But for me, I don't like the scent. Luckily, it does kind of dissipate after it's on your skin for a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of get ready with me, but me showing you guys how I use these products. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.